the passion in business. Most people out there know me as a photographer. That's one of my main jobs in this pushai. So most people know Softech Photography, but there's more to it than just a photograph. Not can Jesus introduce. I'll introduce myself as an entrepreneur and a business lover more than anybody in the photograph. You understand? So most people know Softech Photography. It's one main business in the Sebenza Kuyu. But apart from Softech Photography, we have a Softouch Barbershop. Now, if you've heard of a Softouch Barbershop and you've seen what's going on there, it's a barbershop which is actually for Xhapas.
Okay.
Now, most people don't know
What's
La Vibe,
Xhapas?
So
Okay.
mainly we want to accommodate a local artist and then the Xhosa rap